Okay, so I'm audible, yeah? Okay. So, first of all, there's a very good evening to all the Inmo moms for inviting me here and giving an opportunity to talk and interact with such amazing mothers out there. Now, I am Runjhun Kothari Parlia. I'm the Executive Director at Kothari College of Management Science and Technology and Kothari Institute. Can you guys see me easily? Yeah, perfect. Now, firstly, I would like to thank Komal, Nikita, Swarit, and all the amazing Inmo moms out there for giving this opportunity. Now, being an educationist and a mother, I feel that there is a choice to become a mother is one of the choice to become one of the greatest spiritual teacher. As we all agree with the fact that a mother is the first teacher in everyone's life. Yeah, and she is a bigger institution in herself. So I feel that there should be a respect toward mothers, and hats off to all the amazing mothers out there. So all the Inmo moms, hats off to you. Moving further, as I have said that being an educationist and a mother, I feel that there is a strong connect between the vision of Kothari Group of Institute and a mother's dream for their child's career. Let me elaborate in three categories. First, we create the responsible citizen. We prepare the youth for top class employment. And the third is the most important, that is important for every mother, and a good institution should have that quality. What is that? It's happy and healthy lifestyle of our youth. Yes, in today's scenario it is really important. अब हम अपने फ्यूचर के लिए आज सेफ एंड सिक्योर प्रोसेस के लिए right from taking a good career options along with the job sectors or entrepreneurship, we need to have our children mentally and emotionally strong. That is really important for us. Yeah, so here's our live session and the topic of today is current opportunities in today's scenario. तो अभी जो भी बच्चे any stream से all the students of any stream any background 12 pass out होकर अपने higher education के लिए prepare कर रहे हैं और those who are pursuing their graduation and planning for their future prospects and इन सभी की moms आगे आने वाले 10 मिनट आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है. So listen to it very carefully. Moving further, as we all know that in this uncertain world, we need to desperately rethink on our career prospects, goals, ambitions, क्योंकि अब तक हमने जो अपने करियर के लिए प्लान किया था या जो हमारे बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए हमने सोचा था, आपको नहीं लगता अब हमें एक मिनट के लिए रुकना चाहिए और सोचना चाहिए फिर से एक बार सारे करियर ऑप्शंस के लिए? Yes, don't you think it's time to rethink and reevaluate our career prospects? Yes, because successful people are those who can predict the future and start preparing it for today. आगे आने वाली कल की तैयारी आज से ही शुरू करने वाले यूथ को विजनरी कहते हैं. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसे ही यूथ मार्केट में इनफैक्ट हर इंडस्ट्री में मार्केट लीडर्स होते हैं. सो आर यू गाइज प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट? Don't worry about this pandemic situation that world has going through. We at Kothari Group of Institute are celebrating our 40 years of success and excellence. हमारे इस Kothari Group of Institute के 40 years की anniversary के celebration में under the supervision of our national and international mentors, यानी हमारे global mentors के supervision में हम मना रहे हैं हमारी 40th anniversary और जिसके अंतर्गत एक प्रोग्राम दैट इज सेल्फ बिल्डिंग टू नेशन बिल्डिंग, स्वनिर्माण से राष्ट्र निर्माण. इसके अंतर्गत एक नई सोच, नई अप्रोच, नई संभावनाओं से भरा पद, प्रतिष्ठा और जॉब सिक्योरिटी के साथ एक आउटस्टैंडिंग, अमेजिंग एंड यूनिक 4 मेजर करियर सेक्टर्स. यस, 4 major career sectors. Listen to it very carefully. But before that, would like to convey a message to all the kids and the parents that I will definitely put up all the possible secured career options during this scenario, but the choice will be for the kids only, because you need to decide आपके kid का किस field में interest है, in which field they want to happily learn and grow. This is really important. So आज ही I would request to all the parents and if the kids are listening to me, so sit up with the parents in the evening, put down the paper, identify your skills, prepare for the uncertainty and make better choices. Let's get back to our 4 major career sectors. And what are they? Number 1, government sector, that is देश की सर्वोच्च सेवा के साथ टॉप 40 गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स, सिविल सर्विसेज, एमपीपीएससी, स्टेट सर्विसेज के साथ बहुत सारी गवर्नमेंट जॉब ऑप्शंस. नेक्स्ट आवर सेकंड पॉइंट इज कॉर्पोरेट एक्सीलेंस के साथ यंग कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स की भी 100+ करियर्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज. नेक्स्ट, हमारी समाज और भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने की क्षमता रखने वाले एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम में भी अनगिनत अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट इज लीगल एक्सीलेंस के साथ जुडिशियल और लॉ सेक्टर, इनफैक्ट कॉर्पोरेट लॉ सेक्टर में भी 100 से भी ज़्यादा करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. यस, एज वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, मैं बहुत क्विकली आपको सारे ही सेक्टर्स पे वाई, हाउ एंड व्हाट इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जल्दी से दे दूंगी, क्योंकि आपके जब भी दिमाग में अपने बच्चों के करियर ऑप्शंस के लिए बात आती है तो कुछ ऐसे ही सवाल आते हैं. क्यों? वाई? फर्स्ट आर गवर्नमेंट ऑप्शंस, गवर्नमेंट sectors, right? Before that, I would enlighten some of the facts in front of you. As we all know that the unemployment in US has crossed 15% and it's keep on increasing 3.5% in February 2020. Despite of the fact that all the 2 trillions of stimulus packages have been implemented by the government, and you also are aware with the Indian scenario as well. So we can easily see that the job market in today's pandemic situation, or we can say in today's scenario, will be the most challenging that we have seen in our lifetime. But don't you get worried about this. This is the time when students needs to get focused and acquire new skills, get updated. In this pandemic situation, you have to decide whether you want to become as a better person or you come out as a bitter one. Choice is yours. Coming back to the fact, again, another fact is that the assumption, the longest running assumption, is the plethora of jobs and career opportunities in the sectors of corporate and private was high. Yes, but this was until crisis hit us. Yes, mark my word, this was until crisis hit us. Now, the another research that I want to share with you, that there is a release that came out that previous Great Depression theory of previous century came out with the conclusion and the research that those having government jobs or pension came out to be the best. So according to me, one of the best and safest career option is go with any of these graduation degree. If you are from maths, commerce, science, arts, anything, along with that graduation degree, you can prepare for any of the government competitive examinations. Now why? Because let me give 2 or 3 options. Why? There will be a job security, stability of role, another honor and privilege to serve for our society and nation as well. So here's our first career options. Now moving towards the second one, that is the corporate sector, or we can say the private sector. See, you all know that the world will be back on track in some time for sure. Now you have to decide on that time whether you will be able to back on track or not, because just having a graduation degree from a good university, this is not enough in this today's scenario. There should be an add-on certifications along with that. If you want to reach or you want to get placed in multinational companies or in corporate sector, you need a value-added programs along with your graduation degree. Not only that, if you really want to be at the top of that MNCs, like top corporate leader at the age of 22, this is possible. Now, how? There are some essential managerial and administrative skills certification programs that we are providing at Kothari Group of Institute along with your graduation degree. So again, if you are from science, maths, arts, or any background, you can opt for a graduation degree, and that is affiliated to DAVV, the best university in town. Along with that, you can do a good certification program that will enhance your personality, that will add value to your resume and portfolio. बिकॉज आप किसी भी सिचुएशंस में, ये जो अनसर्टेनिटी आजकल वर्ल्ड में आती रह रही है, यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. तो वो कैसे पॉसिबल है? किसी भी स्ट्रीम से आप जो भी कोर्स सब्जेक्ट अपना ले रहे हैं, उसका प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्योंकि हम जो सब्जेक्ट लेंगे उसके प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे भी वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट, और उसके लिए कुछ प्रोसेस होती हैं. 5 इम्पॉर्टेंट एप्टीट्यूड टेक्निक्स मैं आपको आगे बताने वाली हूँ. अलॉन्ग विद दिस सर्टिफिकेशंस, व्हाट आर द 5 एप्टीट्यूड टेक्निक्स. तो सर्टिफिकेशंस किस बेसिस पे होंगे? फर्स्ट, पर्सनल मेकओवर प्रोग्राम्स. नेक्स्ट, प्रोफेशनल मेकओवर प्रोग्राम. थर्ड is leadership makeover program, again entrepreneurship makeover program, and so on. The list goes on. We'll be providing these kinds of certifications to you. Along with that, जैसा मैंने अभी बोला, ऐसी important 5 aptitude techniques. अब जैसे ही मैं ये 5 टेक्निक्स आप लोगों को बताऊंगी, यू ऑल विल अग्री विद द फैक्ट, जब हम अपने ग्रेजुएशन टाइम में, ऑल दी मॉम्स, हम अपने ग्रेजुएशन टाइम में, वेदर यू आर फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर और कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर, और इफ़ यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद दैट, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. ये जो 5 टेक्निक्स है, बट ऑल ऑफ देम हैव गॉन थ्रू दीज प्रोसेस. व्हाट आर दीज एप्टीट्यूड टेक्निक्स? फर्स्ट, एनालिसिस, analytical analysis technique development. Next, group discussion technique development. किसी भी बात को हजारों लोगों के बीच में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, विद सम फैक्ट्स, जेन्युइन फैक्ट्स के साथ अपनी बात रखने की एबिलिटी, दैट इज group discussion technique development. Another is current affairs. You need to be updated what's going across the country, around the world. That is really important. Another fact, that is answer writing. बहुत ही कम शब्दों में, impressive way में, बिना कुछ कहे अपनी बात पहुंचा देना. That's an art and that needs a lot of practice. So, answer writing technique development. And last but not the least, personal interview, that we all know very well about that. So all these techniques are really important while you are pursuing your graduation. The certifications along with these techniques. Now, most of us think that, okay, having a good degree from a best university and now I have a job, whether in corporate or private sector. It's good. Now our jobs end up here. Every institution thinks like that. But no, this is not happen. Because remember our third vision, happy and healthy lifestyle. Yes, in today's scenario, it's really important. We have to make our youth, our kids, mentally and emotionally strong. Because money or fame आ जाना is just not enough. आजकल आप बहुत सारी न्यूज़ में देख ही रहे होंगे, हमारे एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इंटेलेक्चुअल यूथ, दे हैव फेम, मनी, एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल can't handle the pressure, right? So this is really important because it's not a overnight process कि अगर आप अपने बच्चों को बोल दो, okay, now you have finished with your graduation or PG, now don't take stress, be positive, be strong. No, these are not the right words and not the right process. It needs almost years to incorporate all the qualities and make our student emotionally strong. And we have to go through some development process. Now you can ask me, what are those development process? These are physical development, mental development, intellectual development, and emotional development. And all these process has to be defined very clearly right from the graduation of our student. सो वंस अगेन मेरे जितने भी करियर ऑप्शंस मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, इनमें सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है हमारे यूथ का इंटरेस्ट जिसमें हो. आई हैव रेड अ फ्यू लाइन्स दैट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ यू, एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि जो पेरेंट्स अभी सुन रहे हैं, प्लीज़ कन्वे टू योर किड्स, योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स एंड ऑल द यंग जनरेशंस दैट take the time to find the thing that excites you more than anything else in the world. Not what your parents want you to do, or all of your friends are doing, or the society expects of you. No, I know you all are getting a lot of advice in today's world. So let me leave with mine too. Be impatient, be open, be hopeful, and be passionate about what you are doing. If you do that, the world will gonna remember for you, not for what you have lost, but for what you have changed. And you have the potential to change everything, and you have the potential to change the world. So don't get worried about this pandemic situation. Be strong and be optimistic about that. And in fact, all the parents who want guidance for their child's career prospects, feel free to talk to me. Even if you are a clueless student, whether you are from maths, science, arts, commerce, and you are very clueless about your vocation, passion, purpose after 12th, or purpose after graduation, we at Kothari Group of Institute are there for you in your entire academic journey. We are there for you to guide you and every step of the way. So feel free to talk to us. Yes. And now I will end up this session here, and I would request, if you have any queries, any suggestions, you can mention in the comment box. I can answer you one by one. Thank you so much once again. Okay, hi everyone. Yeah, I can see so many guys are there. Hi Komal, hi Poonam, hi Swarit. Thank you so much. Now if you have any questions, okay, I can find in the message box one of the question that I have, this is mentioning here only. Okay, now you all are asking, okay, what are the courses that you are planning? Yes, what are the courses we are offered in Kothari College of Management Science and Technology? First of all, Kothari College is affiliated to Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, that is DAVV, the best university in town, and we are providing all the professional graduate and undergraduate courses, that is Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Journalism, BCom, BSc Computer Science, IT, BCA, MSW, Master of Social Work, PGDCA. Along with this graduation degree, we are providing you add-on certifications so that we can place you in a good multinational companies, and you can be a top corporate leader at the age of 22, or even if you want to go for that government sector, that is also available. अब एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ जो हम इस during this COVID-19 process हम जो जा रहे हैं, we have only one premises under which roof, जो कि MP में कहीं नहीं है available, एक ऐसा कॉलेज जो डिग्री के साथ में अपनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी भी सेम premises में करा रहे हैं. You don't need to go anywhere else. आप सेफ हैं, सिक्योर्ड हैं, एंड जब तक नॉर्मल सिचुएशंस नहीं आती एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स, वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द लाइव क्लासेस, नॉट द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो. जो कि बहुत लोग करते हैं. We are providing live classes to the students till the time they feel that they are safe and secure to come back to the premises, and once the government will allow us to do that. So we are not in that kind of position कि हम students का भी नुकसान होने दें. So we are doing it pretty well good. Yeah, thank you so much. Again, if anyone has a question. Okay, the next question that I have seen, yes, all the courses are affiliated to DAVV and it's normal professional graduating courses and post-graduating courses. That's nice. Now another question, someone has asked me that is there any success secret to the success or achieving goal? Okay, these are altogether two different questions and I would like to answer one by one. Okay, because what I think, success cannot be defined in 2 or 3 lines, because every successful person have their own success story, own success journey, struggles, everything. But since few years I've been in this industry and I've met so many toppers in government sectors, the UPSC toppers, the IAS collectors and the industrialists, and I have one thing what I have find it common is their determination and they follow a routine. That's a very small thing, but that is really important, that I find it very common in all these successful people out there. And along with that, I would like to share a few lines that I have read from Swami Vivekananda ji. And what he said is, take one idea, make that idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let your brain, let your muscles and every part of your body feel that idea. And don't allow any other idea to come inside that. That is the secret for success. What I believe, and still I'm following that and it's pretty much good. So yeah. And the next question जो मुझे पूछा गया था, that is achieving goal. So there is a little bit difference between a dream and a goal. What I believe, when it comes to dream, it can be your imagination or it can be something that you hope or inspired or you want to be someday. And when we talk about goal, this is the ultimate objective that are meant to be achieved. So there is a slight difference, and success, goal, everything are interrelated. So dream big and achieve that goal. So yeah, thank you. Next question. Okay, what I have seen, the next question is how your institute is dealing with this pandemic situation. Okay, so as I told you earlier that during this lockdown, all our expert counselors, trainers and global mentors came together virtually, and we asked ourselves that can we do something, or can we use our knowledge, experience, potential to reach out at a position where we can make a change in the lives of youth and society and our nation. And the answer was yes, we can definitely do that, and we are still doing that. Just after the 10 days of lockdown, we went online live, and Kothari Education Foundation, there are several wings of Kothari Institute, but one of them is Kothari Educational Foundation. They have declared a scholarship for the students of rupees 1.25 crores just for the benefit of the students, and we are successfully running a national level competition, that is Maha Pratyogita, that is Kaun Banega Bharat Bhagya Nirmata, which is a 60 days competition that is truly online, and the student will get the prize money of cash prize almost 1 lakh rupees sitting at home while participating in this quiz. Along with that, Kothari Education Foundation has provided 60 days March study from home for all the 12 pass out students who are waiting for their results and confused about what we need to do further. We have a competitive examination study material, exclusive publications for free All these things that I'm telling you, these all are free under the Education Foundation head. So we are pretty much ready, and we are doing and trying our best to serve the nation and the society and the youth as well. So yeah, thank you so much. Next question. One, okay. My friend's son is in 12th and took commerce and wanted to be in corporate world. Yes, and even you can go for the corporate sectors. Very nice question, Manika. Okay, I'll surely answer you on that. That whether you are the student is from 12, as I told you earlier also, that we are providing a graduation degree from a good university, that is the best university in town, along with that value added certifications, and these development process are really important right from the age of 22. तो सेफ एंड सिक्योर्ड करियर ऑप्शंस हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर दैट, तो आप जा सकते हैं कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में, बिकॉज वी हैव प्लेड सो मैनी स्टूडेंट्स इन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज. एंड a reference if would I like to share that the founder chairman of this group of institute, that is Kothari Group of Institute, is Mr. Dr. C.A. Gautam Kothari, and he is the president of the biggest industrial area in Madhya Pradesh, that is Pithampur Audhogik Sangathan, for past 20 years. So you can have a great idea that the contacts and the affiliations and everything, we have a very strong background of all the global mentors. Even we have the global mentors who are associated with us from internationally as well. So that's a very good option for now. Thank you so much. And one again, I got a question, that is, okay, why is this happening that localites, the Indorians are not getting opportunity to get into the industrial and big companies in Indore, and the people and MNCs are hiring students from outside Indore or outside MP. Okay, this is I would like to share my perception on this, that this is not a complete truth, because we are in this industry since 40 years, and we have placed many thousands of students of Indore and Madhya Pradesh only to best industrial and corporate sectors. But yeah, that's a bitter truth. I can agree with that, that most of these students are facing these kinds of problem. But what happened is, I have met so many industrialists, and as I told you that our CA founder chairman is also in this industry from past 20 years. So he has shared an experience that there is a gap between the education system and the youth, because what happened is, the needs of the industry is not according to the preparation of the students. Education system is not preparing our youth according to the needs of the corporate world. This is a very big gap in the education system. And what exactly is the education system? See, the education system is just a thing that provides you the skills and knowledge, right, required to get into or to carry out a profession or an occupation that is needed for that. But we need to get updated, and we at Kothari Group of Institute is becoming a bridge between the education system, youth, and the industrialist. What we are doing, we are customizing our program and are preparing our youth according to the needs of the institution or the need of the corporate world. So that will the best solution out there. Because आप भी देख रहे होंगे, if you have read some lines that I have recently read, that government and many of the analysts have posted and estimated that between 30 or 50% of the jobs are replaced by the technology. Some of the world's best learning, like artificial intelligence and cognitive computing systems, are frequently replacing our blue collar or white collar job workers. Whether you are in medical industry or in entertainment business or in education, everywhere the technology is very fast and they are replacing our workers. So definitely, if the job market move with this speed in the future prospect, the education system needs to go ahead of it. Then only we can compete with all these circumstances and the uncertainties that could happen across the world. So yeah, thank you so much. And any other question if you would like to say? Okay, one another question, I guess this is ki my student, okay, no, my son is in have taken PCM maths, okay, and confused which is better, IIT or IAS. Okay, that's a tricky one. You know, that's really a tricky one. But I would share my belief and my perception that, as I told you earlier, that we have a team of global mentors and the research and analysts. After that research, we have came to the conclusion that many of the IITians, like if you talk about uh, Nishant Yadav, Ankur Garg, Kanish Kataria, so many IITians then prepare after becoming IITian. They have started preparing for IAS and now they have successfully done that. And most of them thinks that the IAS is IIT is one of the stepping stone to reach out their ultimate goal, that is IAS. So why to go such a long way if we can go in a smarter way and save our time and energy? Look, hard work required a lot in both the ways, but this is also a good option that after 12 you can go along with the graduation and pursue your UPSC dream. Because what happened, we need to be safe and secured and plan our 10-year goals, क्योंकि अनसर्टेनिटी आती रहेंगी लाइफ में, एंड यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर मल्टीपल चॉइस ऑप्शंस कि अगर हमारे पाथ में इफ 1% अगर ये नहीं हो पाता है तो what will be the next backup option in our lives. So if in one case, I am not demotivating anyone, but what if 1% of chance if we cannot crack IIT, what will happen? Either he or she will take a drop of a year or compromise with any of the engineering colleges. This is, I guess, is not pretty much good or the safer solution. But what, on the other hand, if we take a graduation program along with the preparation of the civil services or any other banking sectors or any government exams, what happen is you will have, if 1%, if you can't crack UPSC, then the backup option is you can go for the multinational company in corporate sector, because we have this add-on certification with us at the time of graduation. और तीनों ऑप्शंस हमारे हाथ में होंगे. You can easily place to a multinational company, or you can crack UPSC and get into the government sector. And there are so many exams, not only UPSC, so many examinations that happens in our country with a very good packages and very good dignified way. So what happened? You can have your graduation and you can have one possible option, that is go with the PG course. You can go what PG, and next option ग्रेजुएशन के साथ अगर गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में हो गया तो बेस्ट चीज़ आ गई हमारे हाथ में, गो विद दैट. थर्ड ऑप्शन क्या होगा? इफ दिस इज नॉट हैपन, we have the option to get into the corporate world as well. So all the possible options are there for you. Yeah, okay. Someone, Shruchi Malhotra, is asking me what is the maximum age for government. See, there are many examinations in the government sector, and I'm very upset with the fact that most of the people, most of the parents are not aware of that. With a very good packages, like अगर मैं बात करूँ along with UPSC and MPPSC, apart from that there are 40 government job options in banking sector as well, जिसमें आता है banking, FBI, RRB, SSC. अगर अभी रिसेंटली मैं बताऊं आपको तो SSC में वी हैव अ मैक्सिमम package of 9 to 12 lakhs and it goes up to 14 lakhs as well with a minimum graduation level criteria. And in sabhi exams के subjects are really very common: maths, reasonings, English, along with some general knowledge. Subjects are more or less same with minimum criteria of 12 pass out and a graduation. It differs from exam to exam, but the packages are too good. एंड अगर इसके साथ हम वैकेंसी की बात करें तो ऑलमोस्ट अभी रिसेंटली एसएससी सीजीएल या आरआरबी की भी और एक एसएससी जीडी भी डिक्लेयर हुई थी. 50,000 प्लस वैकेंसीज वाज डिक्लेयर्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट एंड मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस सिंपल एग्जामिनेशन. सो द लिस्ट गोज ऑन. सो या दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन एंड हर एग्जाम की एज ग्रुप्स एंड क्राइटेरिया अलग अलग होते हैं. डिपेंड्स व्हाट यू वांट. So I guess this is the last question. I would like to say that all the parents don't get panicked during this pandemic situation and don't take stressed for the students, because one thing you should know that money can be taken out, respect can be taken away, love can be taken away, but my dear moms, the knowledge can't be taken away from you. So just make your student, make your children ready for the current circumstances. Take better choices, and yeah, you can do that. If you have any other suggestion or question, or else we can end up this session for now. What's this? Okay, Arwa, thank you so much. Thank you for having me here and giving an opportunity to interact with such amazing mothers out there. Thanks Komal, Nikita, thanks Archana, Swarit, thank you so much. Can we end up this session here? Yeah? Thank you guys. Take care, study well. Thanks. Thank you so much for your overwhelming response. Thanks a lot.